Welcome to my channel, and on today's video I'm going to continue showing you how to make packaging bags, especially for those that are in business like me. And I want to clarify something. In my last video I said that you can make with 1 meter fabric you can make 10 bags. I did it practically and I got around 6 bags, so I needed to make that clarification. And when you're doing these bags, this size, this is what you can get 10 bags, not the bigger size. It is this small size. So with me today I'm going to show you just a simple design of a packaging bag. So what you're going to do is make sure your fabric, you cut it in a rectangular manner, meaning one side should be longer than the other side. Lengthwise should be longer than the other side. In my case I have a 15 by 10 inches of fabric, and this is what you're going to use. And remember, these measurements you can alter to your own specifications. You don't need to use what I'm using. You can use what you think is best for you. For those that make accessories, you can make them so smaller, very small, and you'll get so many bags. So let's do this. So these are 2 fabrics, right sides touching each other, and we are going to stitch here and there. I'm going to show you, we are going to stitch on the wrong side, and remember there are 2 pieces. So this is what you're going to do. To lift up, then down, So once you're done stitching, we are going to turn the bag. After turning, you can fold the bag the way I've folded. You can fold it maybe 1.5 inch inside, and then after folding we are going to top stitch. We are going to do a top stitch. Do a top stitch. So after doing this, I'm going to locate the center of the bag. This is how I do it. That is my center. I'm drawing with my pen, but it's not working, but we are just going to use it as it is. So this is the center of the bag. So I'm going to draw a handle. I don't have any specific measurements, I'm just doing it. Wow. You can do it better than I am doing it. Please do. If you can do it better than I am doing it, please do. So after that, I'm going to fold. Make sure everything is at this middle, and then I'm going to cut this area. My scissors are blunt. this is my thread scissor. Please, if you have a scissor, I can't find my scissors right now, so let's use what we have. And by the way, do you know you can be doing this as a business and selling to other people who have businesses that require them to use packaging bags. So I folded into two so that I can have a perfect. Then this is the results. This is how our bag looks like. You see, you have a handle to carry it. You have a handle to carry. So please try this at home. You can do this, and please make make sure you don't cut close to the stitching line and you don't cut close to the top. And you can do this at home. Do it perfect than I have done it. So thank you very much, and thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.